Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best electric toothbrushes in 2026. If you want healthier gums, whiter teeth, and a deep clean every day, these top electric toothbrushes are the perfect upgrade for your oral care routine. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart Electric Toothbrush offers exceptional oral care for those seeking a professional-level clean at home. It features the A3 Premium all-in-one toothbrush head with multi-angle bristles, providing up to 2000% more plaque removal, 1500% healthier gums, and 100% more stain removal compared to a manual toothbrush. This smart, app-connected device operates at 62,000 bristle movements per minute, utilizing Sonicare fluid action to effectively clean between teeth and along the gum line. Users can select from 5 brushing modes: Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, Deep Clean Plus, and Tongue Care, each with 3 intensity levels. The toothbrush also includes a pressure sensor that lights up to prevent excessive brushing force. The accompanying app helps users meet their oral health goals with personalized guidance, tips, and a replacement reminder for brush heads. With a full charge lasting up to 14 days, it can be recharged using the stylish charging glass or the provided USB travel case. Number 2. Oral-B Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B IO Series 9 limited electric toothbrush features the innovative IO Sense smart charger, which personalizes your brushing experience through real-time feedback. Its interactive color display simplifies the selection of brushing modes, indicates proper brushing technique, and alerts users when it's time to replace brush heads for optimal cleaning results. Designed with a dentist-inspired round brush head and micro-vibrating bristles, this electric toothbrush ensures a thorough and purifying clean. The device offers live coaching that adapts to your brushing style, ensuring coverage of all 6 zones in your mouth for professional clean and enhanced gum care. A built-in pressure sensor protects your gums by notifying you if you're applying too much or too little pressure, helping you achieve the best clean possible. With 7 smart brushing settings, including Smart Adapt, Daily Clean, Sensitive, Whitening Gum Care, Intense, and Tongue Clean, you can cater to your specific oral care needs. Additionally, the toothbrush can be synced with the free Oral-B app to set long-term goals for a healthier smile. It is important to note that this toothbrush should not be used on children under the age of 3, and brush heads should be replaced every 3 months or sooner if they show signs of wear. Oral-B is recognized as the #1 brand used by dentists worldwide, based on surveys of a representative sample of dentists conducted for P&G. Number 3. Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize dental hygiene and personal wellness. This electric toothbrush for adults provides a superior cleaning experience, showing noticeable results in just 1 week. It features a pressure sensor, 3 brushing modes, and 3 intensity settings, making it ideal for protecting sensitive gums and optimizing the brushing experience. The Clean mode offers standard cleaning, the White mode targets surface stains, and the Gum Care mode provides an additional minute of gentle brushing to massage the gums. Equipped with a W2 DiamondClean brush head, it effectively removes surface stains for a brighter smile. The 2-minute Smartima and Quad Pacer ensure that users adhere to the recommended brushing time for optimal oral health. The Philips ProtectiveClean 6500 is also designed for convenience, functioning well as a travel toothbrush with its included charging travel case and long-lasting lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Its brush sync technology tracks usage and alerts users when it's time to replace the brush head. With its sleek navy blue design and ergonomic handle, this toothbrush not only focuses on oral health but also emphasizes comfort and durability, making it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Switching to a Philips Sonicare toothbrush promises to enhance your dental care experience significantly. Number 4. Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart Electric Toothbrush offers premium oral care for those seeking a superior clean outside of a dental office. Equipped with the A3 Premium all-in-one toothbrush head, which features multi-angle bristles, it promises up to 2000% more plaque removal, 1500% healthier gums, and 100% more stain removal compared to a manual toothbrush. This investment in long-term oral health ensures that users can achieve a dentist-like clean at home. The smart, app-connected toothbrush operates at an impressive 62,000 bristle movements per minute, utilizing Sonicare fluid action to drive fluid deep between teeth and along the gum line for effective cleaning. A light ring alerts users if too much pressure is applied while brushing. With 5 brushing modes, Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, Deep Clean Plus, and Tongue Care, along with 3 intensity levels, it caters to various oral health needs. The accompanying app enhances the experience by providing guided brushing, personalized tips, and usage tracking, including reminders for replacing the brush head. Users can enjoy up to 14 days of brushing on a full charge, with convenient charging options including a stylish charging glass and a USB travel case. Number 5. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. The Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush is an advanced electric toothbrush that has received approval from the American Dental Association, ADA. It features an impressive design that includes 8 brush heads and a convenient travel case, making it ideal for both home use and travel. With a powerful electric motor that operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, (VPM), this toothbrush offers an effective cleaning experience. It also comes equipped with wireless charging capabilities and for different modes to cater to various brushing needs, all complemented by a smart timer to ensure optimal brushing time. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.